Hey Nash, what should we make?
One of our subscribers, Seize the Night, requested that we make what sounds like a Southwest style soup, so let's make that.
All right, let's make Southwest soup. One of our subscribers, Seize the Night, requested a ground beef, bean, and salsa soup. So I'm just gonna call it a Southwest soup or Southwestern soup. But today, that's what we're gonna make. So thank you, Seize the Night. Thanks for the recipe. It sounds good and healthy. So without further ado, let's go. So the first thing we need to do is cook our beef and cook our onions. You could absolutely cook the two together, but because I'm gonna make a little batch for Nash with no onions, we're gonna do them separate. So go into 2 pounds of ground beef. Break everything up. Once your meat's starting to brown, go in with a heavy pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic, a little bit of smoked paprika, and some chipotle chili powder. And once your beef is cooked, we remove it, set it aside. Normally I'd say clean out your pan, but it's all going to the same place anyways. I'm just gonna leave the beef grease in there, throw a little bit of butter. Then we throw in 2 diced onions. We're gonna make a little landing spot, a little bit of oil, throw in a few cloves of minced or pressed garlic. Let that cook for about 45 seconds till it's fragrant, and we mix that in. Once that's cooked, put it in another container, set it aside. Then we bring out a pot, and then we add our beef, 1 can of black beans drained, 16 ounces of frozen corn. You could use canned corn or fresh corn, it's up to you. And 2 cans of diced tomatoes, or 1 can, we want 28 ounces. So these are 14.5, so let's use them both. I have one with green peppers, throw that in. And then the other one is fire roasted, undrained. Then we add 1 jar of salsa. I have like a smoky chipotle, then 1 cup of beef broth. You could probably just use water or chicken broth or whatever. Then we're gonna add another pinch of salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit more smoked paprika, just because I like it, a little bit more chipotle chili powder, because why not, and about a teaspoon of cumin, which is about all I have left. Then we stir all this together. And with everything in except the onions, I'm gonna take some of this, set it aside for Nash.
Thanks, bro.
And then we add our onions. Whoops. Stir everything together. Turn your heat up to high. Once you've reached a boil, go ahead and give it a stir. Lower your heat, cover it up, and we let it simmer for 20 or 30 minutes. All right, after about 30 minutes, that's what we got. Give it a stir. That is some nice meaty soup. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Then give it a little taste to see if it needs anything seasoning-wise. Tastes good. Let's give it 1 more stir, kill the heat, and then we let it cool because it is molten lava volcano level hot. So once our soup is cooled, we'll give it a little stir here, and then we'll ladle some into our bowl. Let me go ahead and put a little dollop of sour cream on there, a little bit of shredded cheese, a little bit of an avocado garnish, and top it with a little bit of cilantro. And there we have our Southwest soup. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's freaking delicious. It's meaty, it's tomatoey, brothy, it's salsa-y. It's really, really good. And it's actually really, really freaking healthy. And I could eat this stuff a few times a week, easily. The richness from the beef and the beans, and then you got those caramelized onions. It's just really good. So thank you so much, Seize the Night. Everyone, go make this. It's super easy to make. It makes a bunch, so you can, if you're trying to meal prep or whatever, you could totally do that. And like I said, it's healthy. So if you're, trying to lose some weight, diet, whatever, this is like one of those guilt-free, like it tastes delicious, but it's also healthy. So go make it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'd say medium well, since it's a cooking show and all.
Well, check it out. We got the dog-friendly version of Seize the Night's request for the Southwest soup, but here you go. What do you think?
Oh, yum. The richness of the beef with the beans and veggies and all the seasoning make for a delicious and hearty soup. Almost like a chili in a good way, which begs the question, is chili a soup?
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, amazing dish. Thank you again, Seize the Night, so much for the recommendation. Happy we made it. Hopefully we did you proud. Go make it. It's freaking delicious. It's easy and it's healthy. Why not? What do you got to lose? Go do it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.